In this video, I want to share what I feel is the best side hustle for 2024. It's the one I recommend for marketers of all skill levels and workers from all income levels to make more money faster, even if they've never done a side hustle before. Hi, I'm Joe Barkley. I'm a serial side hustler. I haven't worked a real full-time job in years. And before we get going, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. There are all kinds of side hustles these days and a number of reasons people look for one. Don't get hung up on the term side hustle. It's just an activity you take on to make extra money. As we start the new year, it seems a lot of people are having a tough time making ends meet. Prices are still crazy high on many things, and many people are turning to a side hustle just to pay their bills. But there are other reasons for taking on a side hustle too. I read an article on Yahoo Finance last night that said 50% of Americans have a side hustle, and get this, even if they make $100,000 already. Part of it is because many are still working from home after the pandemic. They have flexible schedules, and it's easier to devote time to a side hustle. Many times these people are looking for a different, non-traditional way to make a living. But again, side hustles are something half the country is doing. Well, whatever the reason, choosing the best side hustle can be tough. In some side hustles, you're really just trading your time for money. It's almost like having another job. There is no time leverage. To increase your earnings, you need to increase the time you spend on the side hustle. Common side hustles like this include things like delivering food and groceries. You've probably heard of DoorDash, Instacart, and Grubhub, or maybe ride sharing. Side hustles there are things like Uber and Lyft. But here's the thing, we all have only so many hours in a week, and who really wants another full-time job? You absolutely must find a way to leverage your time. And that's where my recommended side hustle comes in and why I feel it's the best. It's what's known as affiliate marketing. Long story short, you sell someone else's product or service and get paid a commission. It can be very simple. I've been an affiliate marketer for years. It can be the ultimate way to leverage your time. You may be surprised to find there are affiliate offers available for almost everything you can think of. It's a popular business strategy that's been around a long time. The challenge is finding the right affiliate offer to promote. You need to find the right product and the right business model. While there are many affiliate offers to choose from, many are just plain not that good. Many times the product itself just isn't up to par. Even if you make good money with it, you might not want your name associated with it. Many affiliate offers pay out small, one-time commissions. That means you would have to sell a lot of stuff every day to make significant money. I'm an experienced marketer with a good email list. There are a lot of those one-time commission offers I know I could not make a full-time income with. Don't be fooled by the hype. Many of what are marketed as high-ticket affiliate offers cost a lot of money to get started. I definitely do not recommend them if you are starting out. You'll probably end up spending more money than you make. So here's my recommendation. Select an affiliate offer that leverages your time, requires a small investment to get started, pays out big commissions, and pays recurring income too. Recurring income is money that will come in month after month from a sale you make one time. Imagine getting paid again today for what you did months ago. Let me tell you about the specific side hustle I work. It is the easiest side hustle for beginners and experienced marketers too. It's super affordable, it pays out big commissions on a weekly basis, and has recurring income too. I like getting paid by direct deposit. It's all done online and based on a high demand product. People keep it long term. That's what creates the recurring income. Thanks to a simple online marketing system, you can work this side hustle from wherever you want to be in just minutes per day. I even do it while I'm out sailing in the summer or skiing in the winter. Anyone can do it. No previous experience is needed. Excellent training and support is provided. Plus, when we team up, I will mentor you personally. So if you've checked out the other side hustles, if you're tired of low quality products you'd be embarrassed to show your mother, lousy one-time commissions, silly MLM deals where you have to buy a bunch of overpriced stuff every month just to get paid, or side hustles that take as much time as another full-time job, you'll love this one. I'll show you how to create a full-time income in just 30 minutes per day. Seriously. To learn more, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.